This is Eric Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, today I'm here with a video how oil mixed with coolant in a tank or in the reservoir. You can see in the video this tank has mixed the full of oil and water. It's supposed to be only water, but now the oil has take place or has take part in the tank. That's wonder how it got to that extent. The problem is only two. The head gasket got bent, it can make, and then the oil cooler got spoiled too. That one too, it can create that. So this connection is connect to the oil cooler. Over there, the oil cooler still got spoiled. It can mix with the water, the coolant, and then the oil because the oil cooler contains water and then the oil as usual oil at the time. So whenever it got spoiled, the seal got damaged, then the oil and then the water will combine and move and flow through the engine that you can see the oil and the tank. So here this is Chevrolet 1.8 engine. How you can locate the oil cooler is under the manifold, exhaust manifold. Now you can locate the oil cooler there. So what to do is that to locate the oil cooler, what to do is that whenever you see the oil mixed with the coolant in the reservoir or in the tank, what to do is that don't tempt the head gasket, but rather tempt the oil cooler. If only the engine is not doing overheating, if the only continue doing experience overheating, that means the head gasket has got bent. That one you go straight, then change it because if the oil, the head gasket got bent, it can mix oil, the oil and water can mix. But if the engine doesn't do overheating or it's not do overheating, that means the oil the oil cooler has spoiled. So you need to change, remove the oil cooler and fix with a new one. The oil cooler come with it. You can see the oil cooler here. This oil cooler, this is the hole. The hole is here. This one, this hole, this pipe connects to the oil cooler through to the water tank. You can see this is the oil cooler. This one too connects to 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 the body. You can see. So this one you have mixed with the cooler. Is whenever that oil cooler got spoiled, this this is what you about to experience. The oil will mix with the coolant in the tank. So these are two things that you have to check on. So if the oil mixed with the tank, mixed with the coolant in the tank, don't bother. If only the oil, if only the engine is not doing overheating, or it's not you will not experience overheating. If you experience overheating, that means the head gasket has got bent. If not experience overheating, that means the oil cooler has damaged. So what to do is to check the condition of the engine so you make a decision. So whatever the oil cooler is spoiled, this is what we are about to experience. So this is all about to deal with this kind of problem. So subscribe to Eric Garage and you give more notice, you have more notice video about the engine. Thank you.